First, take a Snazaroo paint in Sparkle Pink and use a sponge to apply this in a C shape around the outside edge of the eye. For the candy cane, take a white Snazaroo paint and begin with a straight line. And then right on the very top, add a hook. Paint the second candy cane slightly lower down and this time change the direction of the hook to add a bit more interest. Next, take a red face paint and after waiting for the white to completely dry, add in a few stripes along the length of the cane. You may find that some of the white still shows through, so just press the brush down a few times to get a really good layer of red. Next, take Snazaroo Black and add a very thin shadow on the underside of each of the candy canes. This will help them to really stand out against the pink background. Next, go back in with the white and add in lots and lots of different sized dots all around the candy canes just to fill up any empty space. And then finally finish off with a few starbursts here and there to give it that touch of sparkle.